Welcome, students. Welcome to School Mathematics channel. Today, I have brought here the questions from the word problems of algebra. Okay, and with this word problem, we have to form the equation and solve them. Okay, here is the question that I have shown in this page. Okay, you can see here the question number one. Question like this: look, rupees 4,500 was distributed equally among a certain number of people. If there 25 people more, okay, each would have received rupees 9 less. This is the question, okay. Here you have if there were, okay, here's one. If there were, here is where, okay, children. If there were 25, here must be where, okay. If there were 25 people more, each would have received rupees 9 less. And from this question, first number is asked to find among how many people was the amount distributed. First of all, you have to find the number of people here, and then second one you have to find the share of each people. Okay, what are the share of these people that we have to find out from the second one? Okay, okay, for this, what you have to do first, look there. First of all, we have to form the equations, okay, from this given word, okay, problems, and first of all write a solution. Okay, how to form the equation that I'm going to show you here. Okay, step by step. Okay, first of all, the total money was, okay, 4,500, right? Look, for the easiness, I want to show you in the figure also. The total money was given there, rupees, okay, 4,500 was there, right? Total money was given there, 4,000. Total money was given there, rupees 4,500, right? Rupees 4,500 was given there. Look here. And this money was distributed, right? This money was distributed among the people. That number of people we don't know, right? But it is clearly given there 4,500 was distributed equally among the certain number of people. Okay, that's why I tell you here, suppose here, okay, late. You can suppose here that we can write late. We can write suppose also, no problem. Late. This money was divided among the people, X people. Okay, late money was right here. Money was divided among late money was divided among X people. money was divided among X people. Okay, divided right there, divided among X people, divided among X people. Okay, right there, among X people right there. The number of people we have supposed X. Okay, X people right there. And then the money was divided among the X people. Okay, and suppose there the received money by, okay, and you can tell, suppose here only, okay, received money by each. Okay, that is received money, RECIEVED. Okay, received money by each also we have to suppose there, received money right here, received money, received money by each, received money by each right there, received money by each people right here, received money by each people, BY. Okay, BY, suppose like this. Okay, these are the two things that you have to suppose first. Okay, children. Then after this, as we know, okay, when we multiply this, okay, the number of people and the money received by each, if we multiply, then we will get the total money right there, according to question right there. Okay, right here, according to question. Okay, right here, according to question, right? What is given according to question? Look there, according to question. As we know, when we multiply this number of people, okay, people we have suppose X. Okay, when you multiply number of people by the money received by each, number of people we have suppose X and money received by each is Y, then when we multiply this, then we'll get that total money. Okay, this total money we'll get, that is given there 4,500. Okay, this is given there 4,500, right? This is given there 4,000. Okay, 4,500 right here. Okay, right here 4,500. Okay, so then this is our first equation we have to write here. Okay, draw here dotted line, and this is our first equation according to the question. Okay, and now here is telling there clearly, look, if there were 25 people more, means again right here there is given another condition right here again. Okay, there is two cases. Okay, again there is clearly given if there were how many people more in number of people, what is added there, X plus, okay, 25 people were more, then we have to add there 25, right? add the 25. If 25 people are added, okay, and this is the number of money. Number of money received by each will also decrease. Okay, here is given. If 25 people, okay, if there were 25 people more, each would have received rupees 9 less. That means from this received money by each will be decreased. That means y minus 9 will be here. Okay, from the money this received is y, 9 will be less. Okay, that means we have to subtract. Less means subtract. Okay, then the total distributed money remains same. That's why it will be 4,500 only. Okay, when you multiply them, it will be 4,500 only. Okay, this is the second case. That's why we have to write here second equation. This is the second equation. Okay, children, this is the second equation. Now we need to solve this two equation, then we'll get the value of x and y. Okay, okay. Now look here. How to solve this one? Look, I am going to show you step by step. Okay, look here. Here, from this first equation, okay, we can put the value of x or y in the equation 2, or you can look here. Let's simplify this equation to first. What happens? Look here. Let's remove this bracket. What happens? Okay, let's simplify the second equation first. X into y, it is xy. Okay, here will be xy. Then when you multiply this x with minus 9, it will be here 9x. Okay, right here 9x. Now it's down to 25. When 25 is multiplied with y here, it will be 25y, right? And this plus 25 multiplied with minus 9, now it will be here 25 nines. How much it is? We have tried there 225. Okay, it's 225 here, right? 225. Okay, children. Then equals to there is rupees 4,500. It remains same. Okay. Now let's forward. And now look at children. As we know, look at this is xy. No, x into y means xy, right? The xy value is there 4,500. That's why in place of xy we can write here 4,500. Okay, from equation 1. Okay, from the equation 1 we are putting the value of xy 4,500. Then minus this other right same. This is 9x. Okay, right here 9x minus 9x plus 25y, right? Is 25y, and minus here is 225, right? And this comes here 4,500 rupees. Okay, this rupees I will keep in the last only. Now I'm solving the values only here 4,500. As you know, this 4,500 this one and 4,500 this one, this will be 0, and here is remaining. Now look here children, There is remaining minus 9x, okay? Here is remaining minus 9x, okay? Right here minus 9x, right? And here is remaining plus 25. Look here, right here 25y. And this minus 2 to 5, we can take it, okay, on the right side, then it will be positive. Right here 225 will be on the right side. Okay, children. Now from here, look, what can we do see here? Look, children, what can we do in this question? Look, see here. From this equation first one, okay, here from this equation first, in place of x, we can write 4500 by y, right? Here we know x equals to, here we can do from this one, right? What will be the value of x here? Here we can do from 1, x equals to what is there? 4500, okay? It will be 4500 here divided by y, right? Okay, this value of x we are keeping here, okay, in this line, okay, then right here, or that will be minus 9, right? Okay, this is multiplied, this is multiplied with what? X value, what is this? X value is there 4500, right? Okay, 4500 that we are using from 1 by, it's by, okay, and it's y, okay, down is there y, this is y, okay, and other one, this one will remain same, plus what is this? 25y, right here 25y equals to, then this right side remains same, 225. Okay, now look at student, let's simplify the remaining one, okay, on this side. And for that, look what you have to do. See student, here in this question, now there is down one, okay, there is, here is below this one, there is only one, okay. Now let's take LCM of the y and 1. What happens here? Right here, or, and then it will be, okay, take LCM, then it will be here y only, okay. And then when you multiply this 9 and 45, look what will come, 900, okay, this will be 20, okay, there is no doubt, 900, 9 45, okay, and 4 carry over there, right, 9 4 there will be 36, and 36 plus 4, it will be here, 4 carry over, then 40 will be there. It has come 40,500. It will be also negative, okay. Here is minus, and then what will you do? Minus, okay, then plus here, because it is below this one, 25 by this one, taking LCM, the y multiplied with 25, it will be here 25 y square, okay, right here 25 y square here, clear, and equals to, right side one, right same, this equals to, and this 225 will multiply with y, then it will come here 225y, next step, okay, 225y, then this goes here and 225, then we can bring on the right side, then it will be, I'm arranging now 25y square at first, 25y square first, then write this minus 225, okay, this will go here to multiply, no, right, that will come this side, and 225y will be minus here when it comes on the left side. Actually this goes here first of all to multiply, okay, this is plus 225, then it comes on the left side minus. Now this side already there minus, this is 40,500. Okay, and what will remain, children, on the right side? There will remain 0 because all the term we have put on the left side, this side. Now write next one, that is OR. Okay, now from this all, let's take 25 common. If you take 25 common, what happens? Look here, 25 common, take, then it remains here y square, right? Minus, it will be 25, how much that? 9, so that's why it will be here 9. 9y is remaining here, and here is also minus. Okay, let's divide this 4,500, 40,500, 40,500 divide, okay, divide by 25 is taken common, then it comes here 1,660, 1,620, 1,620 it comes, okay, yes, here remainder 1,620, okay, then we can write equals to 0 this side. Then now look, so when 25 is multiply here, no? When it goes here divide, it will be automatically 0. This divide, okay, this will go here to divide. Then now let's do middle term break by, okay, subtraction we have to get there 9y. That means look here, let's do by multiplying, it must come 1,620. Let's check 45 minus 36. Yes, and 45 into 36. Right. Middle term it will be 45 minus 36. Okay. It will come 9, and 45 into 36 it will come 1,620. Right, is same. Okay. Solve like this. 1,620 will be here. Equals to 0 right there. Okay. Now let's forward this factorization. What happens? Look here. Write here y square, right? And open the bracket. This will be 45y. Okay. Write a 45y, and minus minus will be plus here. 36y. Write this, okay. And minus 1,620 equals to 0. Okay, isn't it? Then now let's take common because there are 4 terms now. What is common in this 2? There is y common, and here will remain y minus 36. Oh, y minus 45. This is 36 in the third term. In this 2 term, there is y common. The y minus 45 is left here, right? Here left 45. Now here we can take 36 common. As we know, 36 into 45, it is 1,620. That's why if we take 36 common, here remain y minus 45s. Yes, these two remaining in the bracket must be same. Okay, then now we can take common them. Y minus 45. Okay, let's take this y minus 45 common. Then what is remaining here? Y plus 36 remain here. Because if we have taken y plus 45 common, here is remaining y, here is remaining plus 36, and equals to right here 0. Okay, right here equals to 0. And now they came here. Look here, children. Now I want to show you here that one continue on that. Okay, see here it had come there. Y minus 45. Okay, there was y minus 45, okay, and another factor became there, y plus 36, okay, y plus 36, right, and then equals to, it had come 0. Then now we have to write here either, because there are two factor, then write either, what is this, either y minus 45 equals to 0, right? And next one, from this next factor we have got there y plus 36, okay, equals to 0, right? And when you solve this, then you will get your y value equals to 45, okay. But here you will get y value is negative, okay. Okay, we had suppose there this y value was, what was the y value there? Y value was the money received, okay, which is negative here, okay. This should be rejected. We will not accept this value, okay. It is rejected, this negative one, this is rejected. Now let's take there, okay, this y value only, y value is 45. Then what happens here? In equation 1 there was, okay, from, okay, we have in equation from, we have to tell from equation, okay, from equation 1 we know, in equation 1 what is there, from equation 1 we had there x into y was 4500, right, 4500 was there. Then now we can put there x into y value, just now we got a 45, right. Then what will you do, look here, equals to 4500, right, okay. And now from this 45, look, this multiply sign, it will go here to divide, that's why it will come here, x equals to 4500, okay, 4500 divided by 45, okay. Then 45 ones are 45, 45 ones are, and there is 20, means 100. Therefore we got the value of x is 100, okay. Value of x is 100 and value of y is 45. That means at conclusion we have tried here, in this question we have tried, okay, number of people, right, number of people is what, number of people among which the money was distributed, it will be number of people, right, a number of people that we have supposed, number of people we suppose they are x, no, number of people were 45, okay, 45 people were there, this answer. And money received by each, okay, right here, money received, money received by, money received by each, okay, money received by each equals to, that is y we had supposed, money received by y, okay, that by each is y, that we have got this here, y value is what, no, this is, look at number of people, number of people, what we have supposed there, number of people. Okay, here. Okay, sorry for this one. Okay, I'm writing here. This one is okay. Suppose there this alphabets one. Okay, look here. What we suppose this x1, and what we are suppose this y1. Okay, we have to see that number of people. Okay, let's see the question once again. Okay, hmm. Yeah, one received by is y. That is what we are supposing the question one first that we have tried. Okay, number of people x is how much there? 100 come here. According to this question, number of people coming 100 and money received by is money received by is has come. The money received by each. The money received by each that we have suppose here y. Okay, that is coming there rupees 45. This is the answer according to our suppose. Okay, like this we have tried here. In the question we suppose like this. Okay, children. Okay, now I'm going for the next question. Okay. Here we had some number of people X, okay, in this question, previous one. So now I'm giving the next question. Okay, so the next question. Okay, children, now look here. The question is like this. Look here. Second number question. Government of Nepal. Okay, here is given. Government of Nepal. GOVERN Government of Nepal. Okay. Government of Nepal. Okay. Decided. Government of Nepal decided to distribute listen, Government of Nepal decided to distribute decided to distribute some amount of money. Okay. Some amount of money there is. Okay. That is some amount of money amount of money some amount of money equally to the equally among you can tell money equally money equally among the girls of equally among you can write here equally among okay the girls of equally among the girls equally among the girls of okay ABC school okay ABC school suppose this is the question and there is given had there been okay there is the question there been had there been Okay, right there. Had there been 5 goals more, 5 goals more, had there been 5 goals more, 5 goals more, each would have received, each would have received, each would have, okay, each would have received, okay, received, each would have received, each would have received CEI. Okay, here is CI, not CEI. Okay, here is this is CEI. Okay, each would have received rupees. Each would have received RECEIPT. Okay, rupees 60 less. Rupees 60 less. Now write the had. Next question. Had there been, had there been, had there been 5 goals, had there been 5 goals, had there been 5 goals less, each would have received, each would have received, each would have, each would have received, each would have received rupees 80 more, rupees 80 more. This is question. Okay, rupees 80 more. Okay, then asking question number I in this. Okay, find the number of goals and right here find number of goals. Right here find number of goals and the sum received, and the sum received, and the sum received. I repeat, sum received by each, by sum received by each. This is first question here, and number 2 also there is find the total amount provided by the government to the school. and find the total money given at a find the total money given by the government to the school. Money by the government given by the government to the school. Given by the government to the school. This is the question, right? Okay, this is the question. Look, I am going to do this line one by one. Question is a bit longer. And write a solution. Okay, right? This is the solution. Write here money. Suppose let number of girls be x. Okay, let number of girls be x. Number of girls be x. X and the amount of the money and money received by is. Okay, money. Okay, RECIE C. Okay, RECEI. Okay, received. The money received by each. The money received by each be y. Then what happens there? According to question, I'm writing shortcut according to question ATQ, okay? According to question ATQ, when you find out there, okay, look here, the total money, total money equals what will be? Total money means what will be there? Distributed money. Total money will be number of girls. Number of girls is X and money issued by is Y. When you multiply them, you will get total money, right? And after that, look here, again, according to question, what is given there? If number of girls is added, how much added there? Had there been 5 girls more, that means X plus 5, right? More X plus 5. If less than subtract, but it's more, that's why X plus 5. X plus 5, when you add this 5 in number of girls, X plus 5, when it is multiplied with the what? It will get how much day? It would have received, okay, 60 less, means the money issued by Y, okay, was 60 less. That means one issued is Y, that's why it is 60 less, that's Y minus 60. Okay, but look here, this when number of girls is added and number of no amount of money received by 60 less minus the total money remains same. No, it is not telling that it is changed. Total money is XY. That's why let's remove the bracket now. What happens here? Let's open this one. X into Y, XY, right? Right, XY, and this multiply, it will be minus 60x, okay? Right, minus 60x plus 5y now and minus 300, right? 60 to 5, that is 300, and equals what will be here? XY, okay? This right side. Now this XY and this XY will be 0, and there is remaining, okay, 5y, okay, and there is 60y that we can take common there also, right? Or we can leave here like this, okay? This positive 5y, that's why I'm writing positive 5y first. 5y minus 60x, okay? And this 300 I am taking this side on the right side, okay? Okay, children. On this 60x also we can bring on the right side, then it will be minus, and it will change into plus. We can write as equals to here 5y equals to 60x, and when 300 go there, it will be also plus 300, okay? Right here, plus 300. You can make like this, okay? This is the first equation that is made here. This first equation. Now again there is given, right? Again there is given here, had there been 5 goals less. Again right here, 5 goals less means we have to subtract 5 from number of goals. Right there, x minus 5, right? From the number of goals, 5 is subtracted. Then the money obtained by is increased there. The sum of money received by is what there? 5 goals less, what is this? Okay, here is one. Right here, would have received rupees 80 more, yes? If 5 goals less than amount of money received by is how much there? Received by 80 more. That means y plus 80 will be here. Right here, y plus 80. Okay, and total money will be there already received by, we have already found here x into y. That will not be changed. Total money is same, xy. Okay. Then let's solve them. Okay. Let's open this bracket also. Here only I am doing this side. And what will happen is open this one right here, or xy, right? Right here xy, and this multiply with 80, then it will be here plus 80x. Okay. 80x there, and when you multiply by minus 5, then it will be minus 5 by right here, and minus 5 into plus 80, there will be minus 400. Okay. And then equals to this side is total money is xy, right? Right here xy, and we know this xy and this xy will be cancelled 0. When it goes here it will minus, that's why 0, and here is remaining 5y, and this is 80x. Okay. Then you can write here. Okay, children, look like this one. Here is, okay, from this one, from this equation 1, we know the value of 5y. Look here, 5y value is here. It is 60x plus 300, right? That we can put in this one. Okay. Then what will happen? Look here. It will be here 80x minus this 5y, means we have to put there this value. Okay, from equation 1. That should be here 60x. Okay, plus 300, right in bracket, because in front there is minus sign. 300 here, and then close this bracket, and then after what is this, we kept this 80x, this 5y value, then minus 400 also there is, minus 400 there is. Okay, equals to 0, right here 0. Then what happens here? We have tried this now. Open this bracket, then it will be minus 80x. Okay, minus 60x will be here, right? And when you open this will be minus 300. Okay, then it will be minus 400. This will be added, minus 700 it will be, right? This will be 0, and here is remaining 20x. Okay, and minus 700 right here, both added, both negative, that's why. And what will be at this side now? Or 20x equals to, there will be 700. Okay, then when 700 will be transposed this side. Okay, then look what happens. Then we can write a x equals to 700 by 20. Then if you cut this 0 cut, 235. Okay, then we got the value of x equals to 35 here is, and that we have suppose here x means what is there at first, number of girls. Okay, the number of girls coming 35, and we get from y. Look here, what was y here? Here we can put from the equation 1, then write it from 1, from 1 was this 5y, then we can tell y equals to this 5, we can divide this one. Okay, 60 into what is there, 60 into this x value we got already 35 right here. Okay, and even there is plus 300 plus 300, then this result should be whole. Okay, this result should be divided by this 5. Okay, okay, then it comes there. Let's do in calculator there. 60 into 35. 60 into 35. Okay, 35, 60. Okay, it comes 2100, and 2100 plus 300, there is 300. Then it's come 2400, that means 2400 divided by 5 to, then it comes there. Okay, y value comes there. How much? Look there. Y value comes there. 4000 is there. Look at once. First, let's do this one again here. 35 into 60. Okay, 35 into 62. It comes 2100. 2100 add with. Okay, there is right here 2100. Okay, 2100. This one plus, and this is 300, right? This is 300. Okay, and divided by 5. Okay, here is given there. Look, children, I am going to do here. There was coming y equals to was there. 60 into, it was there 35, right? Plus there was 300, right? Then with this whole result divided by 5. Then we get here y value. Therefore y, how much? Okay, what is the value of y here? That we did here 60 into 35, right? This goes to 2100. 2100 plus 300. Yes, it comes 22,400. And 2400 should be divided by 5. Then answer comes here 2000 divided by 5. Okay, and then it comes 480. Yes, it comes here 480, right? That means that much is the money received by each. Therefore, either money received by each, either money received, okay, by each equals to rupees 480. Okay, 480. And the total money also asks to find. We know that total money we had, suppose total money was there, what? Total money was there x into y, right? And x value we got there 480. Oh no, x value was what this just now? This y value. Y value was 480. Okay, and x value was 35. X value was 35. Then when we multiply 35 into what happened, look here, 35 into 480, then answer comes there 16,800. Okay, rupees 16,000. Okay, 800. This much total money was divided. This is our answer of this. Okay, I hope you understood. I have explained here step by step slowly. Okay, and if you want to solve a difficult question, you can share those questions with me so that I can prepare. Okay, the videos for your easiness. Okay, children. Okay, thank you very much. Today this much only. Now for the next day, we'll the next questions.